on YouTube, guys, on YouTube. I'm sorry for the ones who had to go through my crisis. Had to go through crisis with my coding and OBS configuration. All right, great. So now it is working. Next, YouTube is working and I can continue. You can see everything. So what next I'm gonna do? I'm gonna ask him now on my iPad why I can't see in the others my calm loop up. All right. Let's see. Health and productivity. Open choose categories. Okay, where is it? Edit selection. Okay, if it's like this, great. All right, calm loop, it's part of productivity, so I can see it. With all my configurational stuff that I did, let me quickly go. I will do cafe for me, and we will put, I need to put some kind of a new application in here, but I don't know which one to put. Pam, 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 pam. Which one to put? I like to put my applications. Well, I don't know. Let's put this stuff. This. It's gonna just stay on the screen. Some game. I'm gonna reject all of this terrible things in here. Plum, plum, plum. Right, we don't need anything. So meanwhile, you're gonna stare on this for 1 minute, and we need to check if my application can track that this was open for several minutes, and this already would be considered as a big win. Hello, Kamlesh. Hello. You did stream so early sometimes, right? Depends what you mean. Sometimes, like the streams of my applications, I do normally not early. I would say I'm normally doing quite late. But sometimes when I go for a run and I'm on a beach, or just sometimes in the evening when I just do a walk to the beach, because normally I run only in the morning. I do stream from the beach, but what do you mean early? Xena, don't go on my... This is Xena, for people who don't know. This is my beautiful cat. She just like to be on my streams. So I gotta go to make coffee for me, and meanwhile I'm doing coffee, you can stare on her face and just pretty much enjoy her in here and on Streamlabs also. I'm gonna be back like in 2 minutes. This is my cat. She is so beautiful. Let me see, maybe I am showing you also sound from here, which should not be the case. Should not. So now it's done. Xenachka. My cat is Xena. She just did caca. And she's running away, so I gonna... No, Xena, no! Xena. She's just crazy about the stuff. Xena. Several kilometers run is letting me know about myself. All right. So how long it was? 2 minutes, 3 minutes. My coffee is ready. It's here. Super good. I'm making myself small now again. My cat, she stole the hair stuff like this, and she's gonna run now everywhere with it, which is quite crazy. All right, so let me check if all good on YouTube, if all good on Twitch. Yes. Too hot. All right, I can close it, and we go back to this one, and we have in here game. Okay, so we have screen time monitor 10 minutes, cam loop 6 minutes, dreidel, and player games. Okay, edit selection. We have select. What is this? Like this, all apps and categories. All right. So what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna slightly change some stuff in here, and I will say, can you please now make the choose no, firstly commit the changes. Commit. Should I add a little bit of a milk in here? Maybe I need just 1 second. I don't know if I did a better stuff, but my cat is running everywhere. Can you see me? Is all good? What's going on? Okay. gonna commit the stuff. Also, one of my plans is to remake my balconies screen. I will see if I can do it. All right, now, can you please make the choose activities screen? You probably can hear how my cat is running everywhere. As the you finally switched to GPT-5 2x codecs. Well, Swiss, hello. I finally switched, but not for long. I'm soon I'm gonna be out of tokens, and I'm not gonna be switched to it. So then it's like, then I need to be auto. Can you please make choose activity screen as the first one that user is seeing once he is launching the app? Let's see. So yeah, I had to take some coffee. It is GPT 5.2 codex, high, extra, ultra, max, elite. Well, I hate I have paid versions, right? But sincerely saying, because like this one I already paid, but maybe I'm thinking eventually I can choose to Claude, like to switch to Claude. We will see. Only today I had a conversation about how beautiful, magical is and miracles that it can do. But as I say, I need to say that one stuff that I noticed, I picked up. Wow, guys, my reverse up game. Let's play the reverse up game for a little bit. Can you hear any sound from my iPad? Actually, if I click here, is it working? It's not working. Is it going to Bluetooth? Do you need AirDrop? Ta-da-da-da-dum. Anyway, I wanted to play, but I don't know if you can hear it. Well, I can play it in here, but the problem is, I did the reverse up audio game some long time ago, which is I love to play myself. So, for instance, I can record. My cat is back here. Oh no, my ADHD is now running super high, but my cat is now gonna destroy everything, and she's gonna smell my coffee and will try to bury it, because as soon as she smell a little bit of smell of coffee, she's trying to Xen, come, you want it? You ready to bury it? Let's go. You can do it. You can start to do it. Let's go. Now look, guys. Now she's gonna look every day of my life. She's trying to bury the coffee cup. Yeah. No. That's my another headphones, please, no. The typical cat. All right, that's not the word I wanted to. Not. I still choose Claude any day. Yeah, but yeah, I understand you. I understand everybody. So let me be back to screen time monitor. So the game, it's very typical. It's very popular among teenagers, and it was like everywhere. It's so popular. Xena, don't do it, Xena. She's trying to steal stuff. Xena, no. 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 Just help me from my cat. I'm gonna feel like this. I'm gonna hide it somewhere here. Oh my god. Okay. Very popular reverse audio game. I joined the rank of these games, but with two different stuff that I can play audio half speed and I can compare. So let's try to play. I need some kind of a phrase. For instance, let's say I will say I don't know what to say. ChatGPT, give me some phrase to play reverse audio game. Let's see. Okay. So he's suggesting hello from the other side. Let's try to play. So I am recording my game. Hello from the other side. Now I'm gonna click play. Hello from the other side. Now I'm gonna click reverse. And now I need to repeat it. I can listen to it in a half speed. Jasrza Edmorfole. And now I can again play it to see how it's gonna sound in reverse. Let's see. Hello from the other side. It's actually very good. And then I have this comparison screen. And here's that basically original was this. Hello from the other side. And this is hello from the other side. Okay. So this is what we have. And I did this application, I was polishing it, and that's the ones that I'm considering to publish. But the problem is, when I just published this application, maybe last September, I created, oh my God, so much music. I created a TikTok account for it, which is, let me see, the TikTok was called like reverse audio game. And I didn't notice that in my TikTok, one of my posts still, yesterday it was 87,000 views, now it's 88,000 views. I don't know if you can see it, like there are 88,000. Well, it's in Ukrainian, so, but there are 1,000. Oh my God, I was so surprised. And this is something that I just left. And it's just going by itself. Anyway. So what we have now? Now I am ready to proceed and to make next steps with my cursor. So what I'm gonna do, I will delete the app and see how is it gonna, can I in here, remove app, delete, we're gonna run it again on my iPad and see if it's gonna improve. Now my goal is to see that once the app is launched, I choose application on the very first place. Okay. So what do we have? It's running. Request access. No, it's all very ugly, but firstly, let's do the flow. Family control, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I canceled again. This. Oh, come on. No, come on. Oh, no. Can you see my passcode? Can you? Okay, continue. How can you not recognize my face? Maybe I should... No. Oh, come on. This is so bad. I guess you will not be able to see. Let me see. This is so bad. Why my face is not recognized? Okay. I guess you cannot see, but still, for such case, I'm gonna hide it just for a second. Just for a second. I was not expecting it. Pluck, it's back. And plop, it's back. Okay, done. Should have detected my Face ID, like, really. What is the problem with all this stuff? All right. So, okay, now this is what we have on the first place. Okay, let me see. Can you pre-select all of the apps by default? So user will just click on done button, change the checkbox button by the way to done button and move it down on the pop-up and also on the top of the search. Add a little text that will explain why we are requesting this data. Let's see. Like I'm starting slow with one pop-up, then another pop-up, and etc. etc. Let's see. Can I run again? Place. There are a lot of stuff what we can do and not much time for us to do this stuff. Okay, you did nothing. You really did nothing. Or I need to delete the app. Okay, let's run. No, please. How to make him believe that this is my Face ID. This is my, I promise this is my iPad. Maybe I should turn it like this. This is my face. It's unbelievable. Just like every day I'm getting more and more beautiful, so it can't recognize me. Ugh. Right, I had to enter the password. Okay, screen time, approve access, all right. You didn't add anything. Look, you need to change the UI of the choose activities pop-up. Instead of checkbox, please add done button on the bottom of the pop-up. Let's start slowly, one by one. Ready? You promised me that you did it? Because now after I rerun, I should see it. Ah, well. Oh my god, you're not allowed to customize? All right, okay. I was not reading what it said, and I can't pre-select all of those options. Okay, then be on the first launch. Before opening this pop-up, please show another pop-up explaining why we need to choose the activities and that you recommend to choose all, probably. That's what we would suggest. Most likely, I would say. All right, we'll see how is it going to work. Well, at least, as I say, it is very, very good that I already can see that it's actually tracking the time. It's a very, very big win. I know, of course, that those applications are already exist, and it's like something that we need to push through already existing stuff. And that's what we have. So this is ready. Let's try to run it again. Is it a new one? Why did I have it? Let's try again. Run again. Sorry. Replace. Sorry. Okay. To show real screen data, you must select activities. We recommend choosing all categories. Okay. Choose activities. We can select all. Done. And we see everything. This is perfect. We need to commit the changes, and what do I need to do next? I need to add the graph. Which we need to add like most close as we have for Android application, which is this one. My screen monitor is working. My idea. Very good showcase of this. All right. Just gonna give a screenshot to cursor. No, we are not working. Everything is bad. That bad that we are lagging even. Christoph has followed you. Thank you so much for follow. Guys, thank you a lot. Don't hesitate also to follow me on YouTube. Actually, I can share with you. This is a stream on YouTube. And on YouTube, this is my stream on Twitch. Is it legal to do it? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna kill it. If I can, it's lagging so much. Stop lagging. Stop. I just need one screenshot. Shut up. Come on. All right. Okay. It's loading. I don't know why Android is lagging for me, this emulator, so much. Because I'm never restarting my computer. Never cleaning anything. Okay, so something like this. That's pretty much what I need. Great. I wanted to make a screenshot of it. So my YouTube is working properly. I guess so. Okay. So I'm gonna say to cursor, great. Now we need to add a graph with the data visualization of the app usage. Please make it look the way as you can see on the screenshot. Let's see. I mean, I'm not anyhow trying to hide any kind of suffering that we might encounter. And I'm pretty much aware that nothing is gonna be built in one day only. We need to work. So those things like configuring OBS Studio, the camera is not reading my iPad, and we need to establish this or that. Something we need just to go through, and eventually we always can do whatever we want. Okay, so let's see. I don't have a lot of trust on that it's gonna work as I want to, but let's see. I'm now we're supposed to see some kind of graph visualization by cursor for the screen time usage. Let's see. Are you kidding me? There is literally nothing. What have you done? Oh no, okay. Oh, this is interesting. This is very interesting. On vertical. Oh wow. I'm quite speechless. What a creativity. Not sure from where to. Now we're gonna do my little old trick that I really love to do. We're gonna ask ChatGPT what to write to cursor. This is my favorite, like literally my favorite thing to do. Let's see. Okay, here we go. ChatGPT. Let's go. Hi, I need, let's see what we need to do. Gonna copy paste this graph. Oh wow, oi. My book just fallen, and it's not because of me, it's because my cat is pushing it. Just love this book because of illustrations. It's such beautiful illustrations in here. So I'm gonna hi. I need to write a prompt to cursor. So it will do a graph for my iOS screen time monitor app. Do graph for my iOS screen time monitor app that will show the time usage of the applications during the day, but I need it to be made in a beautiful way. So it will look like on this screenshot, and also that and also that we can zoom in and out to see like how we have it from 8 to 24 hours, to see from 8 to 24 hours scale. And food for my cat. And so it's gonna work. Now I only have an ugly graph. Let's see. Here we go. So yeah, on Android it looks quite good. Well, we're tracking stuff in here. So he should be able to, he at least can pick up the data and draw an image. Ooh. I will not read it, I will just pass it. Let's see if it's gonna work. So I have a lot of questions. For this, the reverse audio game, I have a lot of questions how to promote. Last time I also explained quite a lot about that. And I'm not scared. I'm sincerely at this point, I'm very, very openly explaining about my failures, because I somehow in this area, I believe that each of my failure, it's actually a win, and quite proud of whatever I'm doing. Like Dreidel Up, firstly was a failure, then it came up to be something that I see downloads every day. But is it AI game? Somehow, as last time I spoke, it's not very popular. Xena is trying, my cat, to bury a coffee cup again, which I try not to let her, but she really wants to bury a coffee cup, guys. Her typical. Come on, Xena. Are we done? Oh yeah. Let's see. Okay, I can close it. Let's run. Let's run and see what do we have. Why my OBS Studio is constantly not showing the accurate current screen. This is quite crazy. Okay, build is ready. All right, we need to see the graph. Where is my graph? It's loading. All right. What the fuck are you showing me now? What is this? What is this? No, what the... There is no scroll in here. Oh, no. No. Revert the last changes. Got worse. Sometimes even when I do with ChatGPT, it can get worse. But what can we do? the bad stuff that I didn't commit anything. Eh. Okay, let's see. Then I would need to describe myself. I didn't want, like, I'm getting, the first time when I started to use artificial intelligence, I was like, okay, I probably will ask minimum. I probably will, the people are falling into laziness so fast. Now I'm like, I don't even want to write a prompt. I'm gonna make ChatGPT to write a prompt for me. So now we're supposed to see this ugly graph, right? Show us this ugly graph. Maybe we need also, no, where is an ugly graph? It's not showing. This show tutorial is something that we don't need at all. But like poco a poco. Can you please add at the top of the total screen time the on the screen time window a graph that will visually represent the time that user is using different applications. I need this graph to be rounded, smooth, and show the apps usage during the time, during the day of today, as you can see on the screenshot. Also, add a zoom, add plus and minus buttons to zoom in and out the graph so user can observe, and also if the graph is zoomed in, user should be able to horizontally scroll it. Let's see if that's gonna make it better. We don't know. We never know. Wow, and after stream, I have so much stuff to do. So much. Sometimes working days are like relaxation days. All right. Let's see. Oops. Sorry. Okay, time to try. Let's see. How many times I repeated let's see? 10 millions? Let's see. hope you can see my iPad. And what do we have here? So yeah, now it's loading. We need to add a loader button. Okay. So bad. Okay. Okay, what if I will rotate it? Ah, okay. So so the thing is that should be like this. This is better, right? Ah, no, I blocked it. No. So what if I gonna do it like this? And I put it plus 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 minus minus minus. It's not working good. Let me see. No, if you can see it, try to make it bigger, right? So this is pretty much the emulator right now. Let me show you bigger. Samidit, thank you so much for follow. Thanks everyone for follow. Thank you a lot. Okay, so this is very bad. This is not working good at all. What am I gonna do? This is, again, I'm gonna take a screenshot from my own stream to not to pass any kind of screenshots to my computer. So I'm gonna pass it, just quickly screenshotted it. Okay. So the graph is not visible. Can you please make it, how we do it actually? For Android, I guess I am drawing. I remember. I was drawing the first 5 app that we are using, right? Something like this. Let me see more. Yeah, so here I have, yeah. Okay, let me tell this. Okay. So I'm gonna say, so it's not the best, and on the graph you need to show the, how to say it, you need to show the top 5 used applications and show them. Where is my Android? On the vertical x the time of usage, and on the horizontal the like day hours. Also on the example screenshot you can see that we need to show the arrows to navigate between days. Should work, hopefully. Really hope for this. Let's run. Loading. We need to add a loader in here. Here he had some kind of mood tracker, which is good. I kind of like. Don't know what is it, but it doesn't matter. No, it's actually still very bad. It's days. Well, days are changing, but what if I'm gonna write to cursor? Can you improve the graph? You can see that we are not showing properly. There are those points. The time of usage of the app with the with how long the app was during the usage. It's kind of a weird graph, but we can try to, maybe I can rethink it, and I can, it's just like this one I automatically did. I don't remember how I end up with this kind of approach, but for instance, right, like these may make, like, since the application start like was open in here, this reverse audio game, then the usage was growing. Here it was top, so I used application for 1 hour, and then I closed it here, so it could drastically go like down, but we are calculating half and we make it smooth. Which probably cursor should do now the same, but I guess for iOS it's rejecting it, resisting my wishes. All right, this is ready. Let's try to run it again. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. This is better. Okay, in any case, I'm gonna commit. And need just to, so the zoom in and out is not working. But for instance, okay, I'm gonna just tell to cursor that from what you did, it's hard to understand which color of the graph which app represents. Can you fix it? Oh, almost throw away my iPod. Yes, let me get back. I'm gonna remove my iPod like this, so you can see a little bit that cursor is also working. This is gonna go in here. Something extremely terrible is happening with OBS, like it's not showing my real-time screen on YouTube. It's just crazy. I don't understand why. All right, let's run it. Screen monitor. Let's see. Replace. So now we're supposed to see somehow the relation between the graph and the applications. Are we loading or not? Okay, yes, we are. Wait, it's 31st. Okay, he added it. Perfect, love it. Let's say commit the changes. This is so important. Today, unlike the previous stream, we did huge progress. I'm very, very happy. How is it going right now? It's again stuck. Why? Right. Can you please now show the data, not like in one line, but show on the graph where was the peak in time and where was the peak in usage of these apps during the day. That's no, for this you need to use a horizontal x with the time from 0 to 24 hours per day. Let's see. Streaming for 2 hours. It's a little bit in YouTube. In YouTube it's got a little bit like a disaster, to say the truth, with all the OBS stuff and iPad and my god. It's alright. And on Twitch, just amazing. So come on. 59 minutes of screen monitor time. Like, I guess this is very good because we can clearly see that the data is real from what it's tracking. The data is more precise on iOS than on Android. This is obvious for me. Replace. Okay. Let's go. We should see some kind of a very beautiful graph right now. And we need to add loader because it's still struggling to. This is not what I want. What are you? What are you trying to? No, report it back. It's craziness. Like, it's so hard. Oh my God. There are for sure like full libraries with already predefined way how we should show graphs. Ay. Let me try to find some example for again, because I didn't know, but someone told me that actually Cursor is extremely good with visual stuff. If you show like, this is my design, you need to do it, it's gonna do it, which I never knew. But so look, okay, no, before he reverted it, so let's run and see if it's working good. I'm happy that I managed to stream my iPad screen. It was such a big trouble. Right, it's running and show us something. No, 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 no. It's reverted up to. Ah, no, it's actually good. But where are my days? Only one day? Oh, it's okay. It's changed in here. Can you make it look like example on the screenshot? And please make it that we show on the horizontal the time of the day, and on vertical the time of the app usage. I believe that you need to show where was the peak of the usage of the app and when was the least time that user used the app, and usage of the apps and show it with a very smooth and beautiful lines of the graph. Check how is it on the screen shot. Let's see. I really want to make it work, because I guess this is a whole subject on the strategy, how you build up, how to not to lose the opportunities of vibe coding nowadays. I'm also a lot of times thinking about there is such an easy way to create millions of applications just like this. I expect that Google Play and App Store are gonna put some kind of restrictions. Currently, as I was explaining about Dreidel application, that when I was making Dreidel app, Apple was already rejecting it like 5 times and quite strictly saying that we are not considering your idea as a valid one and interesting one. So they were constantly writing me that your idea is bad, so we don't want to use it. But at the same time, you still can upload it. But I expect that store's gonna make some kind of really strict rules right now. Run. Let's see. So, again, I should place a loader there. No. Come on. Oh, it's got blocked. Will you unlock me? No. Expected it to be unlocked by Face ID, but come on, you just need to show me. Okay. What are you trying to show me now? It's so bad. Okay, let me try. We'll try to continue with this. But I can't see the graphs. Right. The last stuff that I do with cursor, and we will see what can we do to fix all of those crap and weird problems that we have. It's quite crazy. Let's run. I'm not expecting anything good, to say the truth, right now. Only some not realistic graphs. So, do we have? Show me. Okay, nothing. Anyway, guys, I need to finish the streams right now. As usually, I will just raid guys. Oops. I will just raid guys on Twitch because I know how to do it and I don't know how to raid people on YouTube. So on YouTube, we will not raid. Bam, 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 bam. Let me see. Where is my stream manager? Raid channel, and we're gonna raid you to where? Oh, okay, interesting. Translating stuff for marketing. This is actually what we all need to watch. So, guys, on Twitch, you are going to stream of translating marketing. And thanks everyone for watching me. It was a disaster stream, sincerely. Nothing was working, but we slowly managed to change it. So great. This is great guy. I am following him, I guess. Really, marketing always super good. So on Twitch, we are ready. So I'm ending up the stream. And for YouTube, guys, everyone who joined, everyone who was watching, who followed, thank you so much. And I will see you soon, maybe tomorrow, but